Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Wattpad. The process is really easy, so I'll get straight to the point. First of all, open Wattpad on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. As you can see on the screen, this is the homepage of Wattpad. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. When you've reached your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Under application settings, you can see the first option, that is account settings. Go ahead and tap on it. And here under Wattpad account, you can see the second option, that is full name. If you tap on it, you'll be able to modify it. So here you can enter any name of your choice. And when you're done, tap on change. So as you can see on the screen, my name has been updated. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.